You can set events up on your Easy site, and then you can list them into pages that allow users to view when those events are taking place and sign up to them and pay for them if they're paid for events. So I'm going to go ahead and add a blank section into this page just here. I'm going to go into widgets and then drag in the event list widget, and here it is. Straight away I've created a list of events that are available on this particular site. Now if I right click on that, I can change all sorts of different things. So as usual, you can expect to be able to change the title just up here. I can change the color of that if I want to. Just over on the content tab, I can make that all events say whatever I want to. So event calendar, something like that. Event calendar. And here is where we can kind of change some of the wording around different labels and things like that. So you can see you can really update that text to speak the language that you want it to. And then back on the general tab, we looked at title styles that apply to the title at the top. Then we've got the tab settings and styles. So these are these things here, all upcoming and past. You can turn those on and off if you want. So if you just want past events, that's useful if you're sharing recordings or something like that, or you want to show upcoming events. You can turn off the all tab, customize those just how you want them to be. Now the active tab here, of course, you can change the colors of that just there to meet your branding. The inactive tabs, you know, you can update those just how you want them to be. And of course you can update the card settings and style as well. So these are the cards here. You know, if I wanted to change the background color of those cards, I could do that just like that. Also the text colors and things like that. There's also things like, you know, the ability to kind of show and hide the price if I wanted to. You know, changing things like the background color of the button. That's really easy to do as well. So lots of settings in there that really make these event pages look exactly how you want them to be. So that is the event widget in the Easy Builder.